What's up guys, and the OnePlus 9 Pro got leaked. Here we have the hands-on first look images of the OnePlus 9 Pro from YouTuber Dave2D, and indeed there are surprises that would make you happy. First of all, camera setup. So design of the camera setup is very much similar to what we have seen from Steve Hammerstoffer. There is a main camera sensor with an ultra-wide-angle lens and two small sensors. First one is going to be a 3.3x optical zoom, which kind of weird, but it probably debuted as 3x optical zoom in the final unit. Then a mysterious camera, could be the macro or depth sensor. Or OnePlus might bring back the color filter sensor here as well. But the surprising part of this leak is this camera branding. Indeed, OnePlus is working with a camera brand, but it's neither Leica nor Zeiss, but a Hasselblad. OnePlus has confirmed that it's investing heavily in mobile photography, and now we know Hasselblad is the one that will make the OnePlus 9 Pro's camera superior than ever. We don't know what type of upgrades we could see, but as far as I think, photos will look much better now, results will be better, pleasing to eyes, better dynamic range, and all that good old things that makes a picture better. Other than that, you can also expect to have newer camera sensor, since OnePlus flagship smartphones usually use camera sensor from Oppo's Find X smartphone, and Find X3 model is expected to have 50 megapixel wide and ultra wide sensors customly made by Sony for Oppo. So these sensors could also bring major improvements in the camera department of OnePlus 9 Pro. On the front, we have curved screen, 6.8 inches to be exact, with Quad HD plus resolution and 120Hz refresh rate. Speaking of battery life, so previously leaked information has confirmed that OnePlus next flagship will support 45-watt wireless charging and 65-watt wired charging, but there is no word on the battery cell capacity yet. Specs wise, the prototype OnePlus 9 Pro unit rocks 256 GB of internal storage along with 11 GB of RAM as per the settings app, but that's likely down to the pre-release software. The real number could be 12 GB. Under the hood, it will rock Snapdragon 888 chipset with all the latest and greatest features of 2021. There will also be OnePlus 9 and OnePlus 9 Lite or OnePlus 9e models as well. Currently don't know much about that devices, but OnePlus 9 got leaked a while ago and it's also a really promising device. Prices are yet to be known, but OnePlus 9 Pro expects to start at $900. OnePlus 9 could start at $800, while the OnePlus 9 Lite or OnePlus 9e could break the boundaries of $699, competing the likes of Samsung's Fan Editions and iPhone's mini lineup of smartphones. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me know what you think of this Hasselblad branding and partnership. Is it the beginning of new camera beast? Do let me know and subscribe to the channel if you're new here. And as always, I'll catch you in the next one.